15 hours of social media work, done in 30 minutes. That is not a typo. Last month I rebuilt my entire posting workflow around AI, and I went from dreading my phone every morning to barely thinking about it. Today I'm going to hand you that exact system, step by step. Here is the reality most people don't admit. Social media is a full-time job wearing a part-time costume. One post needs a caption, an image, and a set of hashtags. Then it has to go out on Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And each platform wants its own tone.do that by hand, and you are looking at 2 hours a day, minimum. Most people burn out by week 3. But the fix is not working harder. The fix is building a pipeline where AI does the heavy lifting, and you just approve the output. Step 1. Create one piece of content, and let AI turn it into 5. Start with a single long post, an 800-word article, or even easier, record yourself talking for 10 minutes and have AI transcribe it. Tools like Otter or Whisper do this for free. Now paste that text into ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to break it into platform-native pieces. 5 tweets, 1 LinkedIn post with a personal angle, a newsletter intro, and 3 short video scripts. Real numbers here. That takes me about 15 minutes. It used to take me an entire afternoon. A quick tip for newbies. A prompt is just the instruction you type into the AI. You don't need fancy wording. Turn this into 5 tweets works perfectly. Step 2. Batch everything, then schedule. Stop posting by hand. Tools like Buffer, Metrical, or Later let you line up a whole week of posts in one sitting. The free plans cover 3 channels, which is plenty to start. I batch on Sunday evening, 30 minutes, and the entire week is queued. Scheduling simply means the tool holds your post and publishes it at the time you picked, even while you are asleep. No alarms at 7 a.m. just to post a meme. Step 3. Automate the boring glue with no code. Connectors. This is where it gets fun. Tools like Zapier and Make are digital glue. They connect your apps so they can talk to each other. When something happens in one app, they trigger an action in another, with no human in the middle. New YouTube video goes live. Make grabs the title and thumbnail and drafts your X post automatically. New blog post published. Zapier creates a LinkedIn update and a newsletter draft. That one rule I set up 2 months ago has now done this job about 60 times. Without me touching anything. Step 4. Let AI handle captions, images, and hashtags. For captions that sound like you, paste 3 or 4 of your old posts into ChatGPT and say write in this voice. It learns your style surprisingly fast. For images, Canva has an AI image generator built in. One design, then resize it for every platform in a single click. Even hashtags. Ask AI for 15 relevant ones, save the list, reuse it. That is 10 minutes of work you will never do again. Step 5. The part most people skip. Engagement. Comments are where the algorithm rewards you, but you don't need to reply to everything yourself. Have AI draft replies in your tone, then you just tweak and hit send. On busy weeks I do 1 pass at lunch and 1 at night, 15 minutes total, and it keeps every post alive. So added up. Writing, 15 minutes. Scheduling, 30. Replies, 15. That is about an hour a week, and the weekly batch itself is 30 minutes of hands-on time. The manual version of that same content, on those same platforms, 15 hours. Same output, same reach, 14 hours back in your week. Start small, pick one platform, automate one step, and add more as you get comfortable. You don't have to build the whole machine on day 1. Here is the whole workflow in one breath. 1 long piece a week. AI repurposes it for every platform. A scheduler publishes it. Zapier or Make handles the repetitive glue, and AI drafts your replies. 30 minutes a week. Instead of 15 hours. If this saved you even 1 hour, hit subscribe on AI Toolbox Daily. I break down a new AI workflow like this every single day, and if you try this system, tell me which step saved you the most time. See you in the next one.